Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, I'll help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows that are coming from the site Setupcompletelyadvancedtheproduct.vip. So this is the pop-up that may attack Google Chrome browser or other browsers that are based on the Chromium open source project. Setupcompletelyadvancedtheproduct.vip claims that you need to update Google Chrome by installing some supposed extension, but this extension actually promotes certain browser hijackers or adware. In other words, this fake Chrome update alert promotes adware type extension or browser hijacking extensions for the Google Chrome browser. So you should deactivate these extensions if they were installed as soon as you can. And of course, you should disregard these misleading pop-ups. To remove any unwanted browser extensions, this is what you should do. Access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So if you see any suspicious extensions here on the list, don't hesitate to remove them. Finally, I recommend investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.